A. Okay, beta. Now see on the board, everyone. This is the shape of hollow cylinder. Yesterday we discussed this cut surface area. Two formula left: volume and total surface area. Now see what I write here: area of each end of the hollow cylinder. What is written on the board? Area of each end of the hollow cylinder. So each end means this is the one end. What is the shape of this end? This is the ring. So how we going to find the area of ring? So finding the area of ring formula is outer circle, outer area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So what is common between them? Pi is common. So take pi common. The formula become pi into r square minus r square. So this is the area of ring and area of one end of the hollow cylinder. This is the one end of the hollow cylinder. So each end means two end is there. When you want to area, this is going to be multiplied by 2. But in this case, I write here each. Each means only one end. So area of one end is pi into r square minus small r square. Okay. Now check what is written. Volume of the hollow cylinder. Now how are we going to find the volume of hollow cylinder? Volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. Okay. So written volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. From when we subtract this internal volume of internal cylinder from the external cylinder. So what left? Volume of this pipe or hollow cylinder. Volume of pipe or hollow cylinder is left. So formula become pi capital R square as this is the volume of finding the external cylinder, outer cylinder, when the radius is capital R. And in the internal cylinder, radius is small r. So I use capital R in the volume of outer cylinder and I use small r in the volume of internal cylinder. So this is pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. So what is common between these two? Pi h is common. So take pi h common. The formula become pi h capital R square minus small r square. So this you have to learn. Pi h capital R square minus small r square. This is the formula finding the volume of hollow cylinder or volume of pipe, you can say. Okay. So this formula you can write on your notebook, beta. Pi h capital R square minus small r square. This is the formula finding volume of hollow cylinder or volume of pipe. Both are same thing. Now next one is cut surface area of the hollow cylinder. Okay, cut surface means outer part of the cylinder. So how are we going to find the formula is 2 pi h bracket r plus r. Already discussed. Okay, now last one is total surface area of the hollow cylinder or total surface area of the pipe. So what you going to do? You have to increase, add the area of both the end. So what is the area of one end? Area of one end, this one. So two ends are there, it's going to be multiplied by 2. So you have to add this portion towards the cut surface area. When you going to add this portion toward the cut surface area, so what is left? See, I want to write on the board. So this is cut surface area right here. 2 pi r, 2 pi h bracket r plus r. This is the cut surface area of hollow cylinder. We're going to find the total surface area of hollow cylinder. What we're going to do? We're going to add two faces. The area of one face is this one. So two faces are there. It's going to be added by this. So this is going to be 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Now what is common between these two terms? 2 pi is common. So take 2 pi common. Okay. So what is left? R into h, r into small h, and from this end capital R square minus small r square. So this is left. So this is the total surface area of the pipe. So written here 2 pi. This is pi. 2 pi bracket start capital R h small r h plus capital R square minus small r square. So you have to learn this formula to finding the total surface area of pipe or total surface area of cylinder. Write down this fast on your notebook. After that, I'm going to start this exercise 12a. Okay, write fast, beta. Okay, written. Or send message, sir, written. Okay, beta. I hope all of you. Now check exercise 12a. What is given in your 12 exercise? Open your page number 204. Exercise 12a. Check first question. What is given in the first question? Take reading of first question, beta. What is given in your first question? In first question, we are going to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of cuboid. One cuboid is there whose dimensions are given, length, breadth, and height. All the three dimensions are given in this question. We have to find the lateral surface area, means cut surface area, or total surface area of the cuboid. This is your first question. Now check how to solve this question. See what is given in this first question. Find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the cuboid. Then it means your shape is this one. This is the shape of cuboid. Okay. So this is length, this is your breadth, and this one your height. So we're going to find the lateral surface area of solid. So right here, lateral or cut surface area both are same thing. So lateral surface area of the cuboid. So write this. Write down the formula. What is the formula finding the cut surface area, lateral surface area cuboid? Formula is 2h bracket L plus B. So this is the formula finding cut surface area or lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now dimensions is given. Length is given. What is length? 20 centimeter. Breadth is given 10 centimeter. And height is also given 40 centimeter. So write all the three dimensions. This is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. Now we're going to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Write down the formula first. 2h into L plus B. So what is the value of h? What is h? H is 40. So write here 40. Bracket start. After that, what is written here? L plus B. What is your L? 20. Write here 20. Plus what is your B? B is your 10. So write here 10. Now this is going to multiply 2 into 40 become 80. Now 20 plus 30 going to be 30. Now multiply these two terms. 8 3s are 24. So write 2400. It is in centimeter. So write here centimeter square. So this is the answer of first part of the question. Lateral surface area of the cuboid. Use formula 2h L plus B. H is given 40. L is given 20. B is given 10. So 40 into 2 80. 20 plus 10 30. Multiply these two terms. So this is going to be 2400 centimeters square. After that, second part. So this is your first part. In second part, what we're going to find? We're going to find the total surface area. So write down. This is your second part. Total surface area of the cuboid. So you have to write the formula first. So formula finding total surface area formula is LB plus BH plus HL. Now substitute the value. 2 going to remain same. L into B. This is your L, this is your B. Multiply these two terms. So write first 20 into 10. Length is 20. Breadth is 10. So write 20 into 10. After that, positive sign is there. So write plus. Now B into H. B is your 10 and H is your 40. So it's going to be 10 into 40. After that, plus sign is there. H into L. What is height? 40. What is length? 20. So write here 40 into 20 and bracket close. Okay. Now 2 going to remain same. 20 into 10 become 200. 40 into 10 become 400. 40 into 20 become 800. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So it's going to be 2 into 1400. 14 to the 28. So it's going to be 2800 centimeter square. So this is your total surface area of the cuboid. This is the cut surface area of the cuboid. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone. If any doubt is there, send a message to me. Check again. In this question, we're going to find. Okay, better clear. No doubt. Okay, good. Ashima. Okay. Anshul send message. Avika send message. Clear, sir. Clear. Okay. Dipanshu at Florence. Okay, beta. Right. No doubt is there. Okay, write down this question fast. After that, I want to solve question number 2. Abhyuday send message. Yura send message. Clear, clear. Okay, beta. Thank you. Now check question number 2. Okay, beta. Now check question number 2. Now check question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Find the surface area of the cube whose edge is given. So edge of cube is given. Edge of cube is given 11 centimeter. Okay. We are going to find the surface area. So right here, surface area of the cube. Now how are you going to find the surface area of cube? Who will tell? If you know the answer of this question, then send a message to me. I'm going to ask one by one. My question is, how are you going to find the surface area of the cube? I'm asking formula. What is the formula finding the surface area of cube? Okay, so many students sent message. Not 4a square, beta. It is 6a square. Okay, so formula is 6a square. Surface area. Whenever only surface area is written, na, it means it is total surface area. Unless it is not written cut surface area or letter surface area. If only surface area is written, it means it's going to be total surface area. Okay, so total surface area of cube is 6a square. So right here 6a square. Now in this question, edge of cube is given 11 centimeter. Edge means side of A. So this is the shape of cube. So this one edge is given 11 centimeter. Okay, so formula simple. We're going to use 6a square. So 6 going to remain same. What is A? 11. Right here 11. So 6 into 11 square is 121. Now multiply these two terms. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and 7 centimeters square. So this simple answer is there. This is the answer of second part. Edge of cube is given 11 centimeter. We are going to find the surface area of cube. Use formula 6a square. 6 going to remain same. A become 11 centimeter. Square of 11 is 121. 121 into 6 going to be 726 centimeters square. So this is very simple question. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone, beta. Yes, love Dora send message. Ashima, now Nirav, Ashpreet, Aniket, Angel, Tushika. So many students send message. Yes, yes. Okay, beta. Thank you. Now check next question. So this is very simple question. All question going to be very simple, beta. If you have done this formula, so this all question going to be very simple. So after writing the formula, you have to substitute the value, whatever is given. Okay, so try to learn formula first. Now check question number 3. What is given in here? Question number 3. Find the edge of cube whose surface area is given. Now in this question, we want to find the edge of cube. In the previous question, edge is given, we find surface area, but in this question, surface area of cube is given. So write down surface area of the cube is given, which is 864 centimeters square. Now in this question, we want to find the edge. Edge means side A. In this question, we want to find the value of A. In previous question, what is given? Side is given. We find surface area of the cube. But in this question, surface area is given. We're going to find the value of A. Again, same formula I want to use. What is the formula finding surface area of cube? Formula is 6a square. Write down 6a square is going to be equal to 864. Okay. Now in this question, we're going to find the value of A. It means this 6 is not required. Take this 6 from left to right. So this is going to be divide right side. So this becomes A square. 864 upon 6. Now cancel with 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 1 is 6. What is left? 26. 6 4 is 24. And again 6 4 is 24. So it is going to be 144. So A square is equal to 144. 144 square of which number? 12. It is square of 12. So write down 12 square. It means A square is equal to 12 square. So square is going to cancel with square. So what is left? A equal to 12. It means side of the cube is 12 centimeter or edge of the cube is 12 centimeter. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear. It is also very simple question. If anyone have doubt in this question, send message to me, beta. Okay, clear. Okay, Nirav, Pratham. Yes, clear, sir. Rakshit, Tushika, Anshuman, Keshav, Sharma, clear. Okay, beta. Okay, now check next question, beta. It is clear because this is very simple question. Okay. Okay, beta. Thank you. Now check next question. Question number 4. Check statement from your book. What is given in this question? Now you want to start question number 4. Check question number 4. So in question number 4, what is given? The perimeter of each face of the cube is given. Perimeter of each face of the cube is 32 centimeter. Now, who will tell what is the shape of the edge of the cube? So see, this is the cube. This is the shape of cuboid. Sorry, cube. What is the face? What is the shape of this face? I want to separate from this figure. I separated. See, one face of this cube I separate. Now, who will tell what is the shape of this? My question is, what is the shape? What is the name of this shape? One face of cube I separate from this cube. Okay. Now my question is, what is the name of this figure? Okay. Now I want to ask. Wait. So many students send right answer to me. Sphere. Okay, beta, sphere. Okay, very good. So this is the shape of sphere. It means perimeter of this shape is given. In this question, given the perimeter of one face of the cube is given. It means perimeter of sphere is given. So this 32 is perimeter of sphere. I hope it is clear now. Now write down your question. Write perimeter. Perimeter of the sphere. You can write sphere. Okay, because one face of the cube is in the shape of sphere. So you can write perimeter of the sphere is equal to 32 centimeters. So this is given in your question. Okay, right here 32. Now who will tell how you going to find the perimeter of sphere? My question is, how you going to find the perimeter of sphere? Okay, wait, I want to ask. So many students raise their hands. Okay, I want to ask from Anshuman. Where is going to be? Anshika. Okay, I want to ask from Anshika. Anshika, open your mic, beta. Anshika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Tell how you find the area of perimeter of sphere.
Sir, 4 into side.
4 into side. Or how you going to find the area of sphere?
Side into side.
Side into side. Okay. Instead of side, can I write A?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell what is the value of A. You tell.
32 divided by 4.
Okay. Tell answer also.
8.
8.
Yes, sir.
So side become 8 centimeter. Now check what is the question. The perimeter of the face of the cube is 30 centimeter. Find the lateral surface area. We're going to find the lateral surface area of this cube. Tell formula. How are we going to find the lateral surface of this cube? Tell formula, beta. Now this is the second part. Cut surface area or lateral surface area of the cube. The formula is 4a square. So 4 going to remain same. Now side become 8 centimeter. Instead of a, you can write 8. So this is going to be 4. 8 square is 64. Now 4 4 is 16. 4 6 is 24. And this is going to be 256 centimeters square. So this is the answer of this question. I hope it is also clear to everyone. Okay, clear. Ashima send, Nirav send message, clear. Okay, beta, so many students send message, clear. Okay, if you have learned a formula, see, simple, I'm going to use formula. After using formula, I substitute the value. Only this is your question. Complete chapter going to be solved in this type. If you have learned your formula, it's going to be very easy for you, beta. So try to learn this formula today, or formula, whether it is cuboid, cube, cylinder, or hollow cylinder. Only 4 formulas there. One shape is cube, second one is cuboid, third one is cylinder, and fourth one is pipe or hollow cylinder. So only 4 formulas are there. So learn volume, cut surface area, total surface area, and their length of diameter. Okay. Now I hope this one is clear to everyone. Now check next question, question number 5. Now this question going to be little not easy. Okay. So check it carefully. What is given? Because percentage is there. In this question, some percentage is there. Okay. The edge of cube is going to be increased by 50%. Check this question. What is given? Now we're going to solve question number 5. If the each side of cube, so this is the shape of cube, each side of the cube is increased by 50%. See, this is the original shape of the cube. Now I want to increase this side by 50%. Means this side is supposed 4 centimeter. If I going to increase it to 50%, this is going to be 6 centimeter. Okay. Now your shape of cube going to be like in this way. It means it's going to be larger than the previous one because we want to increase the side by 50%. When we going to increase the side by 50%, so this shape going to be increased in this way. This is the smaller cube. After increasing the side, this is going to be larger cube. I hope this step is clear to everyone. Suppose in this the previous cube side is not given, so we suppose side of the cube be A. I suppose side of cube be A centimeter or A unit you can write. Because centimeter meter is not given, so write A unit. Let the side of the cube be A unit. This one I suppose, okay, because this is not given in your question. Only given if the side of cube increase by 50%. Find the percentage increase in their surface area. Now we are going to check what surface area going to be increased. Previous one surface areas. So first we are going to find the surface area of this previous cube. After that we are going to find the surface area of this new cube. Then we take the difference between these two cubes. What is the difference? The difference in surface area of both the cube. Since side of this cube is not given, so I suppose the side of first cube be A unit. Okay. So write this question. So write first, let the side of cube be. Let the side of the cube be A unit. I suppose the side of this your first cube. So this is the first cube. Okay. And this is your new cube. After increasing the side, the shape going to be like this one. Okay. So this side is not given. Side of cube is not given. So I suppose let the side of this first cube be A unit. Now we are going to find the surface area. Now surface area going to write. So right here, surface area of the cube. Now tell formula. What is the formula finding the surface area of cube? Send message to me, beta. What is the formula finding the surface area? Okay, 6a square. So this is 6a square, and square unit right here because it is a unit. It's going to be 6a square unit. Okay, so this is the surface area of the original cube. I suppose let the side of original cube be A, so its surface area going to be 6a square. Okay, now I want to discuss this new cube. Now we're going to increase this side by 50%. Right here, 50%. This side going to be increased by 50%. So right there, new side of the new cube. Or you can write side of new cube, beta. Okay, right here, side of new cube. This is your new cube now. Right here, new cube. So side of new cube equal to. Now this side of new cube going to be increased by 50%. Originally we have A. So now I am going to increase. Increase means I want to add. Okay. Increase means I want to add 50% of A. So right here, 50% of A. Okay. I hope this step is clear to everyone. Previous one we have side A unit. Now we are going to increase this side by 50%. It means we are going to add. It means originally first side is A. Now we want to add 50% of this, 50% of A. Now check what I want to write here. A plus 50% of A means 50 upon 100. Okay, removing this percentage, I put 100. Now 51 is 50, 52 is 100. So it's going to be A plus A by 2. Take LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Since 1 is there, it's going to be multiplied by LCM. So 2 into A become 2A. LCM going to cancel with LCM. Only A is left. So original side or new side of the cube become 3A. So write A, capital A. I want to write here capital A. Okay. So side of new cube become 3A by 2. And write unit also. 3A by 2 unit. Okay. Now I want to find the surface area of new cube. So write down surface area of the new cube. So what is formula? Formula going to remain same. 6A square. Now 6 is going to remain same. What is A? Side of new cube is this one. So I want to write this value instead of A. So write here. Or you can write this capital I take capital A. Na? So you can write capital A beta. Okay. It's going to be easy for you. Then no confusion between A and small a. Okay. Take this capital A. Now write surface area of new cube. 6 capital A square. Okay. Because I take this side A capital A. So now what is the value of capital A? 3A upon 2. So write 3A upon 2 and its square. Okay, beta. Now solve this. 6 square of 3 is 9. A square upon 4. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. So this is going to be 27. A square upon 2. So this is the square unit also. Write down square unit also. Okay. So this is the new surface area of the new cube. Okay. This is the surface area of new cube. Previous one we have surface area of this one. Now I want to check what increase is there. This is the previous one surface area. This is the new surface area of new cube. Now I want to check the difference because in your question, check your question. What are you going to find? Find in percentage increase. We are going to find the percentage increase. What is the percentage increase in between both the surface area of the cube? Now right here increase. Increase surface area. So this is going to be 27 A square upon 2 minus 1 6 A square. Now take LCM again. LCM of these two going to be 2. So 2 is going to cancel with 2. So what is left? 27 A square. Now 6 2s are 12. So it's going to be 27 minus 12 means 15 A square. So this is increased surface area of the cube. This area going to be increased. Previous one, what is the difference between this two? This is the difference between these two. Okay. Difference between these two cube. What is the difference? Surface area. This is the difference of surface area of these two cube. Now you want to find the percentage increase. So right here, increase percentage. What is the formula? Increased area upon 2 multiplied by 100 upon original area. What is the original area? 6A square. So right here 6A square. Okay. Now solve these two. Check what is the answer. So this is going to be 15 A square into 100. Take 2. This 2 from towards the denominator. So 2 into 6A square. A square going to cancel with A square. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Again 2 3s are 6. This is going to be 25. And 3 5s are 50. And 25 5s are 125. It means now this surface area of new cube going to increase by 125%. So increase area of this cube going to be 125%. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Check again, beta. If any doubt is there, send a message to me. Clear, loud or send message clear. Okay, no doubt. Chaitanya, Anshul, Arshpreet, Aniket, Parth. Okay, beta. Kshitij also send message. Clear. Okay. Now Shraddha have doubt. Shraddha, I want to ask from Shraddha. Sir, explain again. Okay. Okay. New square, explain again. New cube. Okay, beta. Okay, check again, beta. I want to explain again. So check your question first, beta. What is given in your question? if each side of the cube is increased by 20 or 50%, find the percentage increase in the surface area. Now, suppose this is your original cube. Now, this cube going to be increased. We're going to increase the side. Originally, side is A. When we're going to increase the side, so the shape of cube going to be increased. So we're going to check what is the difference between previous cube and new cube. What is the difference between surface area of new cube in terms of percentage? Okay, we're going to check in terms of percentage what is the difference between surface area of these two cubes. Since side of cube is not given, so you have to suppose first let the side of original cube be a unit. Okay, write down surface area of new cube equal to 6a square. So this is going to be very simple. Suppose side be A and the surface area going to be 6a square. Okay. Now what is going to be happen? Now we're going to increase this side by 50%. Increase means I'm going to add something in the previous length. What are you going to add? 50% of this length. So right here, side of the new cube. This is your new cube. So right side of the new cube equal to previous one. What is the length? A. Now this length is going to be increased by 50%, means plus 50% of A. Okay? Plus 50% of A means now we're going to solve these two. So what is the meaning of 50% of A? 50 into A upon 100. So right, 50 into A upon 100. 51 the 50, 52 the 100 is going to be A by 2. Now I'm going to add A by 2 in the A. So when we're going to add, so take LCM. After taking LCM, new side or new edge of the new cube become 3 upon A. Okay? Now, after finding the side or edge of new cube, right, surface area of the new cube, formula going to remain same, 6a square, 6a square. Now, in this question, in new cube, side become this one. So, instead of a, you can write 3a upon 2. Now, square of this, square of 3 is 9, square of a is a square, square of 2 is 4. Now, cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So, this is going to be 27 a square upon 2. So, this is the new surface area of new cube. Okay? Now this is the surface area of new cube. Now I'm going to take the difference. What is the difference between the surface area of both the cube? This one the previous one, this one is the new one. So take this new one first. Right here, increase surface area. So this is the new surface area and this is your previous surface area. Take the difference. Difference of these two. Right? 27 a square upon 2 minus 6a square. Take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is going to be 2. So 2 going to cancel with 2. So what is left? 27 a square. 1 is there, it's going to multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12. Now 27 minus 12, 15 a square by 2. So this is the increased surface area of both the cube. This is the increased surface area. Now in your question, you want to find percentage. In terms of percentage, means you are going to check now. Now check question number 6. What is given in question number 6? The surface area of the cuboid is 4150 centimeters square. Now surface area of the cuboid is given. Now this is the shape of cuboid. Okay, this is the shape of cuboid. What is given? Surface area of the cuboid is given, which is 4150 centimeters square. Okay, now what is given? Its length is given. Length of the cuboid is given, which is 35 centimeter. And breadth of cuboid is also given, which is 25 centimeters. And in this question, we are going to find the height of the cuboid. Okay, now check this question. What is given in this question? In question number 6, surface area of the cuboid is given 4150 centimeter square. Length of this cuboid is given 35 centimeter. Breadth of this cuboid is given 25.7. This one is length, this one is your breadth, and this one is your height. So in this question, we're going to find the height of the cuboid. Okay, length and breadth of this cuboid is given 35 and 25 respectively. We're going to find the height of the cuboid. Okay. Now, since this is the constant value, so this is going to remain same 4150. Now, what is the formula finding the surface area of the cuboid? Finding the surface area of cuboid, I'm going to use this formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HH. Okay. So this is the formula finding surface area of cuboid. So what is given? Length is given 35. So right here 35. breadth is given 25, so write here 25 plus breadth is given 25. H is not given, so H going to remain same. So write H same. Again, I going to write H same. Length is given, so write length 35. So you can write into 35 is equal to 4150. Okay. This is the formula of finding the surface area of cuboid. Length and breadth of this cuboid is given. In this question, we are going to find the height of the cuboid. So H going to remain same. So instead of L and B, I want to write length and breadth, which is given 35 and 25. So instead of length, I want to write 55. Instead of breadth, I want to write 25. H is not given, so H going to remain same. Okay. Now solve this. Now multiply 35 and 25 and send message to me. What is the answer? Send message fast, beta. Multiply 35 and 25. Okay, 875. Avika, Hardik. Okay, beta. So this is going to be 875. Now multiply 25 and H. So it's going to be 25H. Similarly, when you're going to multiply 35 and H, it's going to be 35H is equal to 4150. Okay. Now, 2 going to remain same 875. Both are H. So 25 plus 35 going to be 60H. So add these two terms because both are in the H. So 25 plus 35H going to be 60H is equal to 4150. Okay. Now open the bracket. When you're going to open the bracket, this 2 going to multiply this both the terms. So 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. So this becomes 1750. Now multiply this 60 by 2 also. This is going to be 120H is equal to 1450. Okay. Now take this term 1750 from left to right. So this positive term become negative. So right here 120H is equal to 4150 minus 1750. Now subtract 1750 from this term and send a message to me. What is the answer? Send message on my chat box. Okay, 2400. Shiti send message 2400. Okay. What about the others, beta? Same. Okay, yes, 2400. So it's going to be 2400. So right here 2400. So value of H becomes 2400 upon 120. So this 0 going to cancel. Multiply 2 the 24. This is going to be 20. So this is equal to 20. This means height of this cuboid become 20 centimeter. I hope it is clear now. Okay, see again, I want to repeat this question because some students joined late. So I want to repeat for them. Okay. This is question number 6. In this question, what is given? Surface area of the cuboid is given 4150. Length and breadth of the cuboid is given. In this question, we're going to find the height of the cuboid. Okay. So write down the formula of finding the surface area of cuboid, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Whenever surface area is written, so you have to write the total surface area. Remember this. Okay. Unless it is not written, little surface area or cut surface area. If only surface area or total surface area is written, so you have to going to use total surface area. So this is the formula finding total surface area. 2 bracket start LB plus BH plus HL. Now length and breadth is given, so substitute the value. After substituting value, when you going to multiply these two terms, so this become 875. Multiplication of these two terms become 25H. Multiplication of these two terms become 35H. Both H going to be add 35 plus 25 become 60H. Now open the bracket. When you going to open the bracket, this going to 2. This 2 going to multiply this term and this term also. When this 2 going to multiply this term, this become 1750 and this become 120H. Now take this term from right to left. This become positive to negative. When you going to subtract this value from this value, this answer become 2400. Now divide 120. Divide 2400 by 120. Answer is 20. So this height become 20 centimeter. I hope it is clear to everyone. If still doubt is there, then send a message to me. I want to ask some students. Abhika, open your mic, beta. Abhika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Dipanshu from 8th Blossom. Kanav. 8 Florence. Kanav. Kanav.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now check next question, question number 7. What is given in question number 7? Check statement from your book fast. What is given in your question number 7? Now question number 7. Length, breadth, and height of the cuboid are given in the ratio. It is given in the ratio 4:2:1. Okay. Ratio of the dimension of the cuboid is given. It means this one is length, this one is your breadth, and this one is your height. And the total surface area of the cuboid is also given to write. Total surface area of the cuboid, which is 1372 centimeter square. 1372 centimeter, not centimeter square, it is in meter square. So right here, meter square. Okay. So it is in meter square. Now in this question, we are going to find the dimension of the cuboid. Means length, breadth, and height. We are going to find. Ratio of the dimension is given. Okay. In this question, ratio of the dimensions is given, which is 4:2:1. It means first one is going to be length, second one going to be breadth, and third one going to be height of the cuboid. So start your question. Right here, let the length of the cuboid is equal to 4x in meter, and breadth of cuboid is equal to 2x in meter, and after length, breadth, height is there. So height of the cuboid going to be 1x in meter. I suppose length of the cuboid be 4x, breadth of the cuboid be 2x, and height of the cuboid be 1x, because it is given all the three sides are in the ratio 4:2:1. Means first one is your length, second one your breadth, and third one your height. So according to this ratio, I use 4x, 2x, and 1x. I hope it is clear. Now what is given here in question? Total surface area of cuboid is given. So total surface area, I'm going to use the formula total surface area. What is formula? Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 1372. Okay. Now length, breadth, and height is given to use this value. So 2 going to remain same. What is length? 4x. Right? 4x. What is breadth? 2x. So right here 4x into 2x plus b into h. What is b? 2x. What is h? 1x. So right here 2x into 1x. After that h into l. What is h? 1x. What is l? 4x. So right here 1x into 4x equal to 1372. Okay, 1370. Now solve this bracket first. Now 2 4s are 8. X into x, x square. When base are same and you are going to multiply, then power is going to be added. So it will become a square. So I use this basic formula in this question here. Here it is x, x both power having 1. So it's going to be x into x, x square. Okay. Now next one. After that plus sign is there, so plus, right, plus. Now 2 1s are 2. Again x into x, x square. Now after that plus sign is there. 4 1s are 4. X into x, x square is equal to 1372. Okay. Now check 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So this becomes 2 into 14x square equal to 1372. Okay. Now open the bracket. When you open the bracket, 2 going to multiply with 14. So 14 2s are 28. It's going to be 28x square equal to 1372. Now in this question, we're going to find the value of x square. So means you are going to take this 28 from left to right. So this multiplication term going to divide right side. So this becomes x square 1372 upon 28. Now you are going to divide 1372 with the help of 28. Send message to me after dividing. What answer is there? $49. Okay, beta. So after dividing, the answer becomes 49. Clear. So right here 49. So this is going to be x square equal to 49. Now you know 49 is the square of which number? 7. So you can write here 7 square. Now this square going to cancel with square, so value of x becomes 7 meter. Now use this value in the length, breadth of height of the cuboid. Now what is the length? Length of cuboid is 4x. What is the breadth? Breadth is used taken 2x. What is the height? Height you taken here 1x. Now you want to substitute the value of x here. What is the value of x? 7. It's going to be 4 into 7. It's going to be 2 into 7. It's going to be 1 into 7. 2 4s are 28 meter. 2 7s are 14 meter. 7 1s are 7 meter. So this is your answer. So this is the dimension of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid become 28. Breadth of the cuboid become 14. And height of the cuboid becomes 7. So length, breadth of the cuboid become 28 meter, 14 meter, and 7 meter. I hope it is clear now. Yes, Angel, I want to ask from Angel. Angel send message to me. I have doubt. Okay, Angel, beta. Tell. Open your mic, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Yes, tell. From
Sir,
where you have doubt,
in the
beta.
step where you multiplied 2 into 14x square, we can take 2 down of 1372 instead of
Yes, you can
multiplying.
take down to. Yes, beta. You can take down towards the 1372 also. So answer will be same, beta.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. Anshuman Blossom. Anshuman, 8th Blossom. Open your mic, beta. Anshuman from 8th Blossom.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Do we have to make solid for every question in this chapter when
What
we
you
do
say,
it in
beta?
your notebook?
Repeat your question, beta.
Sir, when we do this chapter in fair notebook, do we have to make solid in every question?
Yes, beta. It's going to be help you, beta. If you want to make the figure, na, so it's going to be easy for you. Okay.
Okay.
With the help of figure, you are going to understand this question easily.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Boolean send message why we put x. Beta, when ratio is given, now you are going to write use x, beta, because in this question it is given the dimension of the cuboid is in the ratio. Whenever ratio is given to use x, so you are going to suppose let the length be 4x, breadth be 2x, and the height be x. So use x whenever ratio is given. Okay, beta. Now check next question. Next question is okay, Resham. Okay. Now next question is your question number 8. Check statement from your book, beta. What is given in question number 8? Check question number 8, beta. Now this is your question number 8. Okay. Now what is given in this question? Check. A box made of a sheet of metal. A box is made of sheet metal, cost rupees 2,820 at the rate of rupees 30 per square meter. If the box is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide, find the height of the box. Suppose this is your box. Okay. So in this question, shape is going to remain same. So length is given, length of the box is given 5 meters. Suppose this length of box is 5 meter, and the width means breadth. Breadth of this box is given 4 meter. So in this question, we're going to find the value of h. So in this question, we're going to find the height of the cuboid. Okay. So for this, I required surface area of this cuboid. Okay. Whenever you're going to find the height, see in your question number 6, what is given? Surface area is given and length and breadth is given. With the help of surface area, we're going to find the value of height. So same question we're going to do here. In this question, cost is given. Okay, so with the help of cost, I want to find the surface area of this shape first. After finding the surface area of this shape, I want to use same formula which I use in question number 6 or 7. Okay, so I want to write here surface area of the cuboid. So how are we going to find the surface area of cuboid when cost is given? To use this formula, total cost total cost upon cost per meter square. Whenever you want to find the surface area with the help of cost, so you use this formula, total cost upon cost per meter square. Okay. In this question, total cost is given. Check what is the total cost. Total cost is 2820 rupees, 2820 rupees, and the cost of per meter square is also given, which is 30 meter. So right here 30. So now you want to divide 2820 with 30. See, this 0 going to cancel. 3 8s are 3 9s are 27 and 3 4s are 12. So it's going to be 94 meter square. It means surface area of cuboid become 94 meter square. I hope this step is clear to everyone. If you have doubt, send message. After that, I want to continue this question. If this is clear to me, wait. Okay, Chaitanya send message. Answer is this one. Tushika send message. Clear, sir. Avika clear. Okay, Yashika clear, sir. Okay, beta. Now it means this one is clear. Now I want to repeat again. In this question, we're going to find the height of the cuboid. Length and breadth of the box is given. We're going to find the height of the cuboid. Whenever we're going to find the height of cuboid, so surface area is required, beta. Okay. So finding the surface area, I use this formula: total cost upon cost per meter square. Total cost of the making box is given, which is 2820, and the cost of per meter square is also given in your question, which is 30 rupees. When you're going to divide total cost by the per meter square, that is going to be surface area of the cuboid. It means surface area of the cuboid become 94 meter square. Now I want to use formula again. What is the formula finding the cuboid? Send message to me, beta. My question is, how you want to find the surface area of the cuboid? Send message if you know the answer. Okay. So formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Same formula which we used in the previous question, question number 6 and 7. Surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH into HL is equal to 94. Okay. Now what is given? Length is given, breadth is given, these two sides is given, but height is not given. So it means it is going to be same question as question number 6. Now what is length? 5. What is breadth? 4. What is breadth? 4. What is height? Height is not given. So h going to remain same. Again, h going to remain same. What is L? L is 5. So right here 5. Bracket close equal to 94. Now solve this bracket first. 4 5s are 20. 4 into h, 4h. 5 into h, 5h is equal to 94. 2 going to remain same. Now 20 plus 5h, 4h plus 5h become 9h is equal to 94. Now open the bracket. When you want to open the bracket, this 2 into 20 multiply with 20 and 9 also. So this is going to be 40 plus 18h equal to 94. Okay. Now take this 40 from left to right. So this positive term become negative. So right here 18h is equal to 94 minus 40. It's going to be 54. Now 18h is equal to 54. We're going to find the value of h. It means we have to divide 54 by 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54. So h become 3 meter. It means height of this cuboid is of 3 meter. I hope it is clear now. Send message, beta. If any doubt is there, send message to me. Rakshi, send message. Okay, sir. Okay, beta. What about the others? Ashpreet, why your video is off? Open your video, Ashpreet. Okay, okay, beta. Aniket, Kshitij, clear. Okay, beta. So many students send message to me. Okay, beta. Thank you. Now check next question, question number 9. Now we're going to solve question number 9. Okay. Check question number 9. What is given in your question number 9? In my class, so many students are there. Video is still off. So I advise them to open your video, beta. I advise all the students, please open your video, beta. Whenever you're going to join my class, you have to open your video. Okay. Gurneet Kaur, You are not visible in your video, beta. Check your focus. Just Kirat, 8 Florence, video is off, beta. Open your video. Just Karan Singh, 8 Florence, open your video. Anshul Sharma, 8 Blossom. Parth Agarwal. So many students are there. Still videos off. So I advise them, please open your video, beta. Now check question number 9. What is given in your question number 9? Okay. Now check question number 9, beta. In question number 9, 4 cubes, each of side 3 centimeter are joined end to end. Now you are given one cube of each dimension 3 meters. So this is the shape of one cube. In cube, all the sides, length, breadth, and height are equal to 3 meters, or we can write side equal to 3 meters. Okay, so this is the shape of one cube. So what are we going to do? 4 cubes are going to join side by side. Okay, end by end, we're going to join 4 cubes. This is the shape of first cube. Now see on that side, suppose this is your first cube. This one is your first cube. This one is your second cube. This one is your third cube, and this one is your fourth cube. Now I join all the 4 cubes by end to end. Okay. Now what is given in this question? Side of cube is given 3 meters. So this side is your 3 meters, and breadth is also 3 meters, and height is also 3 meters, because in cube all the dimensions are going to be equal to each other. So this length is going to be 3 meters. This length is going to be 3 meters. This length is also going to 3 meters, and this length is also going to be 3 meters, and this breadth going to be remain same, which is 3 meters, and height of this shape. Now new shape is there. We are going to join 4 cubes by end to end. Now this is the shape of cuboid. Now this become 4 cube with the help of this 4 cube. Now the final shape become cuboid. Now this is the shape of cuboid. Now this solid is known as cuboid. Now this is not a cube. We are going to join end to end 4 cubes together. So the shape going to be changed. Now this shape is known as cuboid. Okay. Now what is given in this cuboid? Length of cuboid is this one. So length of cuboid become 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. It means length going to be changed. Length of cuboid become 12 meters, and breadth going to remain same. See, breadth is, there is no difference in breadth. In first cube, breadth is 3 meters. At the end, cuboid shape breadth is also 3 meters, and height going to remain same. See, there is no difference in the height, and there is no difference in the breadth. So height and breadth of the shape of cuboid is going to remain same. So you have to write breadth equal to 3 meters and height equal to 3 meters. Only changes in the length. When you going to join 4 cubes by end to end, so length is going to remain, length is going to be changed. Breadth and height of the cuboid is going to remain same. So I write here length equal to 12 meters, breadth equal to 3 meters, and height equal to 3 meters. Now what is the question? Check what is. Find the surface area of the cuboid. Now in this question, we're going to find the surface area of the cuboid. Okay. So write surface area of cuboid. So write here surface area of the cuboid. Okay. So what is the formula finding the surface area of cuboid? Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HH. Now all the dimensions of the cuboid is given. Use one by one. What is the length? 12. What is breadth? 3. Again breadth is 3. Height is 3. Height is 3. Length is 12. So write all the dimension one by one. Now solve this bracket. 12 3s are 36. 3 3s are 9. 12 3 are 36. 36 plus 36 going to be 72. And 72 plus 9 going to be 81. So this is going to be 81. Now open the bracket. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. So this is going to be 162 centimeters square. So answer of this question become surface area of cuboid become 162 centimeters square. I hope it is clear to everyone. If still doubt is there, send message to me better. It is meter square. Okay. So in this question, meter is given, so you have to write meter square beta, not centimeter square. See, dimension is in meter, so you have to write 162 meter square, not centimeter square. Okay, beta, clear. Neeraj, Rakshi send message clear. Okay, beta. Sameer also clear. Okay, beta. Nikhil clear, sir. Okay, beta. Aniket Mannat clear. Okay. Okay, beta, I got your message. Now check next question. Now we're going to solve question number 10. So this is very important question. See very carefully. Okay. Read the statement first. Read statement what is given in question number 10 first. Now in question number 10. Read statement first. What is given in question number 10? Aditya has built a cubical water tank for his house with each outer edge is equal to 1.5 meter. Each outer edge means this is in the shape of cube. So edge is given. So edge is given 1.5 meter. So right edge of this cubical shape is 1.5 meter. He gets the outer surface area of the tank, including the base. Okay, now the shape of the tank is in this shape. See, you're going to use all the four sides and the base of the tank. All the four sides and base of the tank they're going to use. Upper portion going to be open. This going to be open. So this upper portion he going to not going to use. He going to use all the four sides and the base of the tank. Okay. So upper portion is going to be open. Is it clear, beta? All the four sides and the base of the tank is going to be used. Upper portion is going to be open. Okay. Now check what is given next. He get the outer surface area of the tank, and the base of the tank. Okay. Covered with the square tiles. Now he want to use tiles. He put the tiles all the four sides in the base. He want to use with the help of, he want to make this tank with the help of tiles. Okay, the shape of tiles also given. The side of the tile is also given, which is 25 centimeter. Okay, so side of tile is also given 25 centimeter. Find how much he would spend for tiles if the cost of tiles is rupees 480 per dozen. Now it is given cost of 12 tiles per dozen. In one dozen, how many objects are there? 12. It is given per dozen tiles. It means 12 tiles are there. Okay. The cost of 12 tiles is given. So write cost of 12 tiles is rupees 480. It is given. It is given in your question 1 dozen. In one dozen, 12 tiles are there. So I write cost of 12 tiles is equal to rupees 480, and the cost of one tile equal to 480 upon, it going to divide with 12. 12 4 is 48. So cost of one tile going to be 40 rupees. Okay. So I want to solve this question. First, I want to check how many tiles are required to making this type of tank. Okay, my question is, in this question, we want to find how many he going to spend on the tiles. How many amount he going to spend on the making of this type of tank. So first, I want to write here surface area of the tank. So right here, or you can write area of the tank. Area of the tank. Now my question is, I want to write area of the tank. What I want to write? What is required to make the area of the tank? Okay. I want to ask from some students, how you going to make the area of the tank? So I want to ask from, raise your hand better if you know the answer. Okay. 2-3 students are there, which they raise their hands. So one is Kshitish. Kshitish, open your mic, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell beta, how you want to find the area of this tank?
Sir, first we are going to take the CSA of the tank, which is, 1 second. First we are going to take the CSA, then we are going to take the bottom area.
Okay, beta, very good, very good. It means this question is clear to you. Okay. So in this question, we're going to find the area of tank. In area of tank, we're going to use all the four sides. It means third surface area of the cube, because this is the shape of cube, plus area of the base of cube. So with the help of these two formula, I want to find the area of tank. Third surface area means all the four sides and the base of the tank. So all the four sides means third surface area. What is the formula finding the third surface area cube? Formula is 4a square. Now the base of cube is in the shape of square. How you want to find the area of square? Formula is a square. So write here a square. Now 4a square plus a square become 5a square. So write here 5a square. Now in this question, side is given. What is the side? 1.5 meter. I want to convert them in centimeters. So this is going to be 150 centimeter. So 1.5 meter equal to 150 centimeter. Now I use this 150 here. So write 5, 150 and its square. So this is going to be 5 into square of 15 is 225 and 2 zeros are there. Now multiply it by 5. So answer becomes 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 is left. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 5s are 10 and 11. So in centimeter square. So this is the area of the tank. Okay. I hope it is clear. This is the area of the tank. If it is clear, send message to Meta. Send message fast. Is it clear? Clear, sir. Okay, Kshitish. Okay. Now check what is left. Now the total area of the tank is here. Now, and we're going to make this tank with the help of tiles. I'm going to use tile. And the dimension of tile is given. What is the dimension of the tile? 25 centimeters. So I want to write the area of the tile. So write here area. Area of one tile. So tile is also in the shape of square. So how are you going to find the area of square? Formula is a square. So what is the side? 25. So it's going to be square of 25. It's going to be 625 centimeter square. So this is the area one tile. Now I want to find the number of tiles. So write here number of tiles. Number of tiles equal to total area. Total area of the tank upon area of one tile. I'm going to find the number of tiles, total area of the tank upon area of one tile. Now, what is the total area of the tank? It is given 112,500. What is the area of one tile? Area of one tile is 625. So write here 625. Now divide this by 625. Tell what answer is there. Send message to my chat box, beta. After dividing it, send message to my. Yes, I got a message. When I'm going to divide it by, answer is 180. Okay, beta. So write here 180. So write here 180. So how many tiles required to make the tank? 180 tiles is required. Now, what is the cost of one tile? 40 rupees. So it means you have to multiply 180 by 40. So this is the final answer. Okay. In this question, you want to find